Welcome to Donny Man Family Kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make Arabian kapsa rice with chicken. So kapsa rice is very popular in Saudi Arabia. It's an aromatic rice dish with a grilled chicken and it's often served during special occasions. So I've got some of this kapsa rice right over here. It smells wonderful. I've never actually had it, so I'm very curious, I'm very excited, and let me just dig in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow! It's like I'm in the Arabian desert and I've just come across an oasis after being absolutely thirsty. For that oasis to quench my thirst, and this has actually quenched my hunger. This is wonderful, this is satisfying, and let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this wonderful dish. With that said, do remember to hit the like button and also comment below if you have any requests or any questions even, or if you have anything to say like thank you, please do write that down there. And also hit the notifications bell icon so that you are informed of our regular releases during the week. And with that said, catch you in the next one.